Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and delete PolyBuzz AI chats. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is to of course go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PolyBuzz AI chats. Then log in with your credentials and of course register if you haven't already done that of course. But now let's see how you can actually go and delete PolyBuzz AI chats, so the chats in the PolyBuzz. So first of all, here when you're in the home screen, in the bottom side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home screen, then we have the chats plus, and we have some of course midnight and stuff, and we have the log in. Now to be able to delete a chat, you have to have one first. So here you can of course start a conversation with the person that you can find here in the home screen, where you can see people who are also here. So basically here you can of course find people and of course message them by typing a message to the person or swiping or doing whatever you want. Now here, as you can see, you can go and type in a message to create a chat. Now you have a chat with Brianna. You can see it in the chat now, as you can see. And now you can just slide it, as you can see, slide it with your finger and click delete, then click delete again, and the chat will be deleted. And that will be everything. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.